Morning students, so today I have brought some revision quiz of chapter number 1, nutrition in plant. So let us start the quiz. The first question is, the mode of nutrition in which an organism food themselves from simple substances is called, and we have 4 options: autotrophic, heterotrophic, septotrophic, and all of the above. So what do you think, which one is the correct answer? So autotrophic nutrition is the correct answer. Now the next question, what energy change take place in photosynthesis? And your options are light energy to heat energy to chemical energy, heat energy to light energy, and light energy to chemical energy. You have to find out the answer quickly. And the correct answer is light energy to chemical energy. Now the next question, which is the correct summary equation for photosynthesis? These are the different equations. You have to find out the correct equation for photosynthesis. And the correct answer is, when water is combined with carbon dioxide in the presence of chlorophyll, it gives glucose and oxygen. Now the next question, some organisms live together and share shelter and food. This is called as, you have choose one option from these 4, and the correct answer is symbiotic relationship. Now the next question, which plant is an example of? And your 4 options are, so the correct answer is insectivorous plants. Now the next question is, which part of the leaf control the rate of loss of water to the air? And the options are, so the correct answers for this question is stomata. Now the next question, we can find rhizobium in the roots of. Find out the answer from these 4. And the correct answer is pea plant. Now next question, what role does the insect play in the insectivorous plant? And your options for this question are fertilization, provide nutrient to the plant, dispersal of seed, provide carbon dioxide. And the correct answer is provide nutrients to the plant. Now our next question is, which structure in green plant control the opening and closing of stomata? And your options are, okay, tell me the answer. So the correct answer is guard cells. Now next question, a lichen is composed of. These are your options, and the correct answer is fungi and algae. Now the next question, what is the principal source of energy on earth? Obviously all of you know this answer, and the correct answer is sunlight. Sunlight is the ultimate source of energy on earth. Now the next question is, bacterium which provide nitrogen to the leguminous plant is you have to name the bacteria out of these four, and the answer is Rhizobium. Now the next question. Which of the following is not required for photosynthesis? Not required. And the correct answer is oxygen. Which two substances are the product of photosynthesis? And the correct answer is oxygen and glucose. Now, in which of the plant photosynthesis is carried out in stems? And the correct answer is cactus. Because cactus is a desert plant, so the leaves are reduced to spines, and therefore stem part is green and it carry the photosynthesis, and the leaves are minimized to spines to reduce the loss of water through transpiration. Okay. Now the next question is, why does algae looks green? And these are your options. The correct answer is because of presence of chlorophyll, which is a green color pigment. Okay, that's why algae look green in color. Now the next question. Some fungi live in the roots of the trees. These fungi take food from the trees and return help the trees in absorbing water and nutrients from the soil. This type of relationship is example of. These are the different options, and the right answer for this question is symbiotic. Why? Because both the trees and the fungi both are benefited to each other, and this type of relationship is called a symbiotic relationship. Now the next question, which of the following type of plants get their food from dead or decaying matters? These are the different options, and the correct answer is saprotrophs. And okay, and the examples are mushroom, fungi, etc. Now the next question. In photosynthesis, solar energy is trapped by the pigment called. So what was the name of that pigment? I know all of you know the answer of this question. Chlorophyll. And the next question is, symbiotic association between an algae and fungi is called as? Yes, the answer is lichen. The symbiotic relationship between the algae and fungi. Algae prepare the food, give to the fungi, and fungi help in the absorption of minerals from the soil. Now the next question, identify the organism and write its mode of nutrition. So you have to identify this organism and the mode of nutrition of this organism. And the answer is pitcher plant or Nepenthes. This is also called Nepenthes, and the mode of nutrition is insectivorous. Now the next question, identify the organism and write its mode of nutrition. What is this? So, mode of nutrition. So what is this? The slippery substance present in the stagnant water bodies. And the answer is algae, and the mode of nutrition is autotrophic mode of nutrition. Now the next question. Identify the organism and write its mode of nutrition. This is Venus flytrap. And the mode of nutrition is insectivorous plants. Now the next question is, what is the mode of nutrition of this organism? So this is a mushroom and the mode of nutrition is saprotropic. Now the next question, identify the organism and write its mode of nutrition. You have to identify this picture. So this is Cuscuta or Amarbale, and the mode of nutrition is parasitic. It does not photosynthesize it depends on another plants for their food. Now the next question, that is the last question of today. It is identify the organism and write its mode of nutrition. So this is a Drosera. So this is a Drosera or Sanju plant, and the mode of nutrition is insectivorous plant. So this is all about the quiz, and I hope you all have tried it and you have answered the questions correctly. Thank you.